What if I told you that making $1,000 a day with AI isn't just possible? It's happening right now. People just like you are using AI to automate businesses, create content, and generate passive income without coding skills or a huge investment. In this video, I'm going to show you the fastest and easiest ways to start making money with AI, step by step. AI is changing the game, and those who take action now will be ahead of the curve. You don't need to be a programmer, a business guru, or have years of experience. With the right AI tools and strategies, you can start earning $1,000 a day or more. Whether you're working from home, running a side hustle, or even automating your entire business. Stay till the end, because I'll be revealing a hidden AI trick that most people don't know about, but can skyrocket your earnings instantly. Let's dive in. 1. AI-generated content. AI tools like ChatGPT and Jasper can create high-quality content quickly and efficiently. Imagine producing engaging blog posts, persuasive product descriptions, or captivating social media content in minutes. Businesses are willing to pay top dollar for content that grabs attention and drives traffic. By offering your AI-powered content creation services, you can cater to a wide range of clients, from small businesses to large enterprises. The demand for quality content is ever growing, and with the efficiency of AI, you can deliver more in less time, increasing your earning potential exponentially. 2. Building AI-powered apps. Developing AI applications tailored to specific industries is a goldmine. Think about chatbots that provide customer support, recommendation engines for e-commerce sites, or automation tools that streamline business processes. With platforms like OpenAI and TensorFlow, you can create custom solutions that meet unique business needs. By selling these AI-powered apps, you can generate a consistent revenue stream. The key is to identify a niche market and develop an app that addresses a specific problem. With effective marketing and a quality product, reaching $1,000 a day is achievable. 3. AI-driven e-commerce. Running an e-commerce store? AI can be your best ally. Implement AI tools to optimize your store's performance, from personalized product recommendations to dynamic pricing strategies. These AI-driven features can enhance the shopping experience, increase customer satisfaction, and boost sales. Platforms like Shopify offer AI integrations that can help you manage inventory, predict trends, and automate marketing campaigns. By leveraging AI, you can stay ahead of the competition and drive your e-commerce business to new heights, reaching your daily income goals. 4. AI training and consulting. As AI adoption grows, so does the need for expertise. Businesses are eager to integrate AI but often lack the necessary skills. If you have a strong understanding of AI, you can offer training sessions and consulting services. Conduct workshops, webinars, or one-on-one consultations to help businesses implement AI solutions effectively. Companies are willing to pay a premium for knowledge that can give them a competitive edge. By positioning yourself as an AI expert, you can attract high-paying clients and generate substantial income through training and consulting services. 5. Creating AI-driven online courses. Online education is booming, and AI-related courses are in high demand. Platforms like Teachable and Udemy allow you to create and sell courses on topics such as AI programming, machine learning, and AI applications in various industries. With a well-structured course and effective marketing, you can attract a global audience. Successful course creators often report monthly earnings in the tens of thousands. By continuously updating your content and engaging with your students, you can maintain high enrollment rates and achieve consistent, significant income. 6. AI bots for beginners. AI bots are revolutionizing various online ventures. From trading bots that analyze market trends to SEO bots that optimize websites for search engines, these tools can automate tasks and improve efficiency. By developing or using existing AI bots, you can enhance your online business operations. For instance, lead generation bots can identify potential customers, while personal finance bots can help manage investments. The automation and optimization provided by AI bots can save time, reduce costs, and increase your earnings, making it easier to achieve your $1,000 a day goal. 7. AI-enhanced freelancing. Freelancers can significantly benefit from AI tools. Whether you're a graphic designer, writer, or data analyst, AI solutions can enhance your work quality and productivity. For example, AI-powered design tools can help create stunning visuals quickly, while AI-driven analytics tools can provide deeper insights for data projects. By integrating AI into your freelancing services, you can offer more value to your clients and justify higher rates. 8. AI in real estate. AI can transform the real estate industry by providing valuable insights and improving customer interactions. For instance, AI can predict market trends, helping real estate agents make informed decisions about property investments. AI-powered chatbots can provide instant responses to potential buyers, enhancing customer service. Additionally, AI can optimize property listings by analyzing factors such as location, price, and demand. By incorporating AI into your real estate business, you can streamline operations, improve customer satisfaction, and increase sales, paving the way to significant daily earnings. 9. AI-driven marketing services. Marketing is crucial for business success, and AI can take it to the next level. AI tools can analyze consumer behavior, optimize ad targeting, and measure campaign performance in real time. By offering AI-driven marketing services, you can help businesses achieve better results with their marketing efforts. For example, AI can identify the most effective keywords for SEO or personalize email marketing campaigns to increase engagement. Businesses are willing to invest in AI-powered marketing solutions that drive growth, making it a lucrative opportunity to generate substantial income. 10. AI for financial management. AI can simplify and enhance financial management for individuals and businesses. AI-driven tools can assist with budgeting, expense tracking, and investment strategies. For instance, AI-powered financial advisors can provide personalized investment recommendations based on market analysis and user preferences. By offering AI-powered financial advisory services, you can attract clients looking to optimize their finances and charge premium fees for your expertise. The efficiency and accuracy provided by AI in financial management can help clients achieve their financial goals, ensuring a steady demand for your services. AI is no longer the future, it's the present, and it's creating insane opportunities for those willing to take action. The question is, are you ready to capitalize on it? Now that you know the fastest ways to make $1,000 a day with AI, it's time to take the first step. Pick one strategy, start experimenting, and stay consistent. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss future AI money-making strategies. Drop a comment below and let me know which AI income stream excites you the most. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.